A box is a universal management space for your projects, programs, and portfolios, designed to adapt to the management methodology of your choice. Consider your Jira project as a collection of multiple movable parts, such as tasks, deliverables, resources, and risks. You can keep all of these and more in a single box. Boxes can also contain other boxes. They can be placed on top of or under one another to build hierarchies of different types of initiatives. They are suitable for storing and managing small initiatives like short one-off projects, as well as large initiatives like project programs and project portfolios. You can also use them to break down the scope of your project into smaller, meaningful parts, such as consecutive safe program increments, waterfall phases, agile iterations, and more. Each box offers a comprehensive set of tools you need to manage its contents. In BigPicture, those tools are called modules. For example, the Gantt module houses a task tree of the entire scope of the box, and the Gantt chart that visualizes those tasks against a timeline. The boxes are pre-configured for the type of content you want to store, be it an Agile project, safe Agile release train, or a mix of standalone tasks. There's a dedicated box type for initiatives managed according to different methodologies. Boxes can also be created and customized from scratch to fit your unique approach. You can enable additional modules and customize individual box settings to fit your project needs better. In summary, boxes are centralized, versatile, highly customizable, and secure containers for your projects, programs of projects, and portfolios of projects, offering all the essential tools you and your teams need for your daily work.